Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you ZV-E10 with 7 Artisans. I've done this video and then that video is doing very well, and a lot of you guys are asking whether this supports autofocus. And this is the video for sort of a proof that it does support autofocus. And again, if you want to go buy this sort of a lens adapter or any sort of lens adapter, please do scroll down on the bottom and see whether it does support autofocus or not, because majority of a lens mount, you go on Amazon right now, you can pause this video and then have a look and scroll down all the way to the bottom. It says manual focus. That means you have to manually adjust the focus. But these 7 Artisans, you can see supports autofocus. So I'm going to give you a demonstration here. So again, this is the same lens mount and I'm going to go this way. I'm going to hold it. It supports, you can see it is autofocusing itself. It supports it very fast and it tracks the object. It natively supports Sony camera. It doesn't say any sort of error. I've shot a video from this camera as well. So it is the quality is good. The autofocus is very snappy. The best part of this lens mount is you can upgrade the firmware as well. So you can see on this side. So inside there, so micro USB, you'll be able to update the lens. And so far, I'm just using one of these EF lens from Canon, so it is working. There's no issue whatsoever. The photos are great. Again, 50mm is one of the must-have lens on your camera gear. If you like this type of video, guys, sub to my channel will be awesome. And this is Genius X6 signing out. Peace.